friends, you're welcome back to my channel. What I have today is how to make this heart shape, heart crochet design. It's a very easy one. In this video I'm going to show you how this is achieved. Just take your time to watch this video to the end. Thank you very much. And for those of you watching my video for the first time, take your time and watch this video. You can see how beautiful and portable this is. Okay, so we can now go. So I'll be making use of 2 strands, as you can see from the tail. So the first thing I'm going to do right here is to make my slip knot. So it's just to turn it like this, and I insert my hook and I bring it together like this, but making sure that my hook can roll in between. So right now I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see this is my 4 chains. So right now I'm going to insert into the first chains one side of the first chain. This is the front one. So I will make a slip stitch. I will slip stitch. Can you see? So I've slip stitch. So right now I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So having chained 4, so I'm going to yarn over the hook 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 times. So I look for the midpoint of this the middle point, and that is where I've just inserted. So I'm going to bring out the first 2 chains, the next 2 chains. So I'm left with 2 chains on my hook, and I bring it out. So this I'm going to repeat 4 times. So let's go for the second time. So I insert, bring out the first 2 chains, the next 2 chains, I have 2 chains left, and I bring it out. So the third time, 1 and 2. So I insert into the loop again, the mid loop. I bring out the first 2 chains, the next 2 chains, and the last 2 chains. Remember, I say I'm going to repeat this 4 times. So right now I yarn over twice. So I insert, bring out the first 2 chains, the next 2 chains, and the last 2 chains. So right now I'm going to proceed. So I yarn over just 1 time. So here I'm going to make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So right now I'm going to chain 1. So I chain 1, and you see, so I yarn over my hook 2 times. So I insert into the same loop, center loop, bring out the first 2 chains, the next 2 chains, and the last 2 chains, which is called triple crochet. So I chain 1 again. So this time I'm going to make double crochet 4 times. That's why I've yarned over once. So I insert, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, three, see, and 4. So right now I will be making triple crochet 4 times. I yarn over twice in the center loop, bring out the first 2 chains, the next 2 chains, and the last 2 chains. I'll be repeating this 4 times. For the second time, bring out the first 2 chains, the next 2 chains, and the last. I yarn twice. For the third time, I insert, bring out the first 2 chains, the next 2 chains, and the last 2 chains. I yarn over. For the fourth time, bring out the first 2 chains, the next 2 chains, and the last 2 chains. So right now I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I insert where I slip stitch. So here I'm going to make a slip stitch. Can you see? This is round 1. So I proceed to the next round. So here I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Haven't chained 5. I'm going to insert into the first stitch right here, single crochet, I move to the next one, the next stitch. In this next stitch I make 2 single crochet, 1, second time, 2. So I proceed into the next stitch, with single crochet. I proceed into the next stitch where I make 2 single crochets, 1, second time, 2. Now in the next 5 stitch I'm going to make single crochet. So let's go. 1, next, 2, next, 3, next, 3, 4, next, 5. So right now I'm going to make 2 double crochets in the next stitch. One, 2. So right now I'm going to make, in the next 5 stitch I'm going to make single crochet. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So right now in the next stitch here I'm going to make 2 single crochets. One, 2. Then next stitch 1 single crochet. So right now I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I insert, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, in this last loop I'm going to make single crochet, then I chain 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I insert right in the center loop while I make a slip stitch. So I'm going to cut this off. then I draw it tight. Our heart design is ready. Can you see how beautiful it is? So the next thing I'm going to do is just to detach this from the back. This is the back and this is the front. You see? You see how beautiful it is? So like I told you, I said it's an easy project, very easy. As you can see from this video, I believe you will like this, and I want to believe that you will really support this video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I really appreciate. And please don't forget to like this video. If you like my video, you encourage me to do more, like I said, like I do say. Thank you very much, and don't forget to share this video out for others too to benefit. So if this is your first time, like I do say, if this is your first time you watch my video, I welcome you to this great channel. Here is a channel where you can learn how to cut and sew, and at the same time how to crochet different kinds of ways. What are you expected to do? Just click on the subscribe button below. That's what you are expected to do. Just click on this subscribe button below. You can see it down there. Just click on it, and you also click on the notification bell so that you can have access to my video. That is, anytime I release a new video, you can get notified. Thank you very much. So till I come your way again, and if you have any comments regarding this video, kindly drop your video in the comments section. Okay, so we have come to the conclusion of this video. So till I come your way again, bye for now. Bye bye.